Everyone hates this coolant temp sensor. This is cake. This is a cake job. I shouldn't even have taken that off, but either way. Flathead. You hit it right there. You can come in through here. Just like that. Tap it with a hammer. Breaks it loose. Come in here just like this. And just spin it out. It's fucking cake. It takes 5 minutes to do this job. Pull the other one out with the magnet or with the claws. Drop the new one in there. Slowly spin it in. You're done like that. You bring it right through here. You tap it with a hammer. Boom. It's tight. Easy as that, boys. Go make that money.